Here we're going to take a look at how to replace the windshield wipers on a Mitsubishi. Here, what you'll need to do is move this wiper arm up. Do like putting a piece of cloth underneath, just in case that arm falls down. We don't want to break the windshield. But you take this piece, and your wipers might not have this piece right here, so you might not have to worry about this step, but you do have to move that out if you have it. And then you turn the wiper at an angle. And right down here, you might have another clip you need to press, and then slide this away, like so. And there you go. That's it. You take the new wiper, turn this a little bit at an angle, like so, and then line that up, pull it now this way. Alright, you should be able to hear that click, but once it goes in place, then you take this and you press it down. That's it. And then you lower it. Very simple. Thank you for watching.